Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to create customer email notification on Squarespace website. The first thing you want to do is go on the drop down menu on the left hand corner and you are going to select Commerce. After selecting Commerce, you are going to scroll down and you are going to see Customer Notifications. You are going to tap on that. And from here, you want to ensure that you have selected Global Email Styles. Then from here, you can tap on Edit Email in the right hand corner right here. And you'll be redirected to this page on which you can customize how you would like your email to look and also what you would like your email to say. As you can see right here. So you can add your linked site title right there. You can also add your email right here, and in the right hand corner you can change the email background, as you can see right here. So you can select the background color that you would like to use, and there are numerous options. You can also customize the font size and also the header, and once you're finished with that, you can simply save it in the top left hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.